Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about some of my favorite products that helped me grow my hair out longer. So I'm not wearing any extensions. This is my natural hair length. Let me go back. And yeah, that's my natural hair length right now. For those that know me in person, you guys know that I'm not wearing any extensions on my hair, nothing. I don't know, it's kind of hard to show you guys on camera, but yeah, if you guys know me in person, you guys know I don't wear extensions or anything like that. The only time I will wear extensions is if I'm gonna curl my hair, because I do like the thicker voluminous curl, so I'll only wear my extensions if I'm gonna be curling my hair, but other than that I don't wear it. So I'm going to show you guys some products I've been using that has helped me a lot. So the first one, we might as well just start off with shampoo and conditioner, right? Start off there. So these are the two products that I like. And well, this is the brand overall that I really like, and I actually do have a coupon code with them, which I will leave right here, and there will be a link down below. Everything that I talk about, there's going to be a link down below, so you guys can just directly purchase from there just to make it easier for you guys. But I love Vegamour. This is this brand right here. This is their revitalizing shampoo and conditioner. Helps restore, retain, and renew your hair. Definitely, it is super important to be taking care of our hair the best way possible. So they do have different lines. I believe this is the revitalizing line. I think that's what it's called. You guys can check them out. But any shampoo and conditioner that they have, I think, is great, especially because it has really good ingredients. It is vegan, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, color-safe. There's no GMOs, parabens, phthalates, sulfates, silicone, mineral oils, gluten, and synthetic fragrance, which I think is great. It's going to help repair the hair, which of course, in addition to hair growth, we also want our hair to be nice and repaired, of course. And since I'm talking about the same brand, I also like these two products. So I love this Grow Plus Advanced Hair Serum, also from Vegamour, and it has a nice little dropper for easy application. I like to apply this every day. I'll typically do it like in the mornings, or if I'm going to shower, then I'll just do it after I shower. And yeah, I love this hair growth serum, and I like to apply it in areas of my hair where I notice that I feel like my hair is a little bit thinner, which is kind of like around the temples area, and that's kind of where I like to apply it, but you of course can apply it wherever you feel would be best for you. And I know we're talking about like the hair on your head, but it's also a plus for the brows if you overplucked. I also love this one, the Advanced Grow Brow Serum with CBD, and this is what it looks like. And it also, by the way, they also have one for lashes, which I think is great. So they have one for lashes, for brows, for hair. Definitely recommend them, and you can go ahead and use my discount code. And then after I shower, I like to use this one. I love this one. This is the Eva NYC. It strengthens, it's also a heat protector and reduces frizz. It's a 10-in-1 primer, and this is all the things it does. It strengthens, heat protection, reduces frizz, detangles, softens, cuts drying time, adds shine, nourishes, smooths, and UV protection. So it says to use it on damp hair. So I love using this after I shower. I'll let my hair kind of like just dry a little bit. I don't use the hair dryer, so that's also another tip, is reducing you know, your heat products. So I do not use a hair dryer. I'll show you guys what I use instead, but I love this. I got this one from Costco, by the way. If you have a Costco near you, I don't know if they still have this, but I actually have two of these. This is a bigger version. I forgot how much it cost. I just know that it was a really good price because Costco has really good prices and deals. So I love using this one when my hair is wet. And then, well, typically everything is pretty much like when your hair is wet. I also like using this one. This is a new product. I'm not sure if it came out yet. I think it did, but I was able to try it out before it came out to the public, basically. I'm not sure how to pronounce this brand, but this is the name of the brand right here. I hope you guys can see it right here. And this is the smoothing serum. It fights frizz and it boosts shine. So this one doesn't help with hair growth, but I just wanted to show you guys that if your hair is healthy, you're gonna have like less you know, of a need to be trimming your hair all the time. And then also if your hair isn't healthy, you know, your hair is going to be more prone to breakage, dryness, and it's just not going to be in good condition, and you're probably going to need to keep trimming off all of your growth, and then your hair's never going to grow because you're just constantly trimming it. So it's important to keep your hair healthy, and this is what has helped with me, or for me, is doing stuff like that. So I like to use this one. I believe you can use this one, yeah, on damp or dry hair. So I love using this as well. And then at this one too, this is the K18. This one's pretty expensive. If you guys can't get this one, then I would recommend the spray or even the smoothing serum if you guys have an issue with frizz. I do, so I love using this one. So this one's actually a leave-in molecular repair hair mask. I love this one. So this one, you don't use it every time, I believe. What was it? I think it has the directions. I think the directions are in the box. So yeah, the directions are in the box. I don't want to give you guys the wrong information, but I just remember, I think it's like the 4 or 5 times that you wash your hair, you want to use this. And then after those 4 or 5 times, don't quote me on this, I just know that the first few times when you wash your hair, you want to use this every time. And then after that, I think you want to use it every, I want to say 4th or 5th time you wash your hair, just for maintenance. And then when you use this, you don't want to use conditioner because a conditioner adds like a coating on your hair. But this is going to pretty much fix your hair from the inside out, versus like the conditioner and a lot of other products where they're pretty much kind of repairing your hair from the outside. And this one, like I said, this one goes to the inside of your hair, repairs it from the inside, which is, we don't really have products that repair your hair from the inside, and that's why I really, really love this product, and it's lasted me a really long time. So I love this one as well. And then, so this is what I use. So I don't blow dry my hair. I like to reduce the products or heat on my hair. So I love this. I believe I got this from Sephora or Amazon. I know they have it on Amazon. It's this hair wrap right here. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but this is the brand name right here. They're gonna have like something similar. You don't have to get this exact one, but I think the important thing is that it has to be a microfiber material. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it's kind of hard to apply at first, and to be honest, it kind of was, but now obviously I know how to apply it, and it's, yeah, you just get used to it. So this is definitely important. This has helped my hair dry a lot faster. Since my hair is pretty long, it takes a long time for it to dry. This has helped a lot, and it also, what else does it do? I think it also helps reduce frizz. It's obviously healthier than using a blow dryer, and it has other benefits, but I just can't remember them all, so don't quote me on them. And then the last product, which I think is probably the most no, it's not one of the most important, but it's pretty important. So if you like to straighten your hair like I do, or even curl it, but I just pretty much straighten my hair almost every day. I didn't straighten my hair today, but I love using this brand. This brand has made the biggest difference for me, and it's this one right here. I've talked about this so many times before. This is the Hair Buron, or you can also type in bioprogramming. It has like so many different names. Hair Buron, bioprogramming. You could also type in this name right here, and pretty much this is a hair straightener, or they have hair straighteners, they have hair curlers, or curling irons, and they also have, I believe, like a blow dryer or hair dryer. And this brand pretty much focuses on not damaging your hair. They have studies on YouTube. You can actually look them up. And they, for example, they were straightening like a woman's hair, I think for like an hour or something, like just like this, just the same piece of hair over and over, and it showed the difference. They showed the results, and her hair was smoother, softer, it was more hydrated, it didn't damage her hair didn't fall off, it didn't get like, it didn't turn into like hay or like a what's it called, like a really dry material or anything like that. It didn't damage the hair, and instead repaired it. There's actually this formula on their website, and I think it's also on their Instagram. I don't know physics, so I don't know how to explain it, but I just know that this specific formula explains why this technology works. But this, yeah, these products do not damage your hair at all, and I can tell you guys it works because I was using this straightener every day for maybe like a year and a half, every day, and my hair was just growing and growing and growing. And I remember before, when I was using my other tools, before I got the straightener and I was just using a regular basic straightener, obviously my hair was getting dry, it was getting more fried. I had to constantly trim it. With this one, I don't even have to trim my hair if I don't want to. And I actually just trim my hair at home. I'm not a hairstylist. I'm not saying you should do this or anything, but I just trim my hair at home. Yeah, I don't really trust hairstylists because I got screwed over a long time ago. That's a different story. But yeah, I trim my own hair at home and I rely heavily on this. And like I said, this works. There's studies on YouTube. A lot of people like this. This is amazing. And like I tell you guys, it works. The proof is there. If you know physics, the equation's right there and you can read it yourself and you'll understand it. But yeah, this is amazing. I actually met one of the reps from the company. They reached out to me, I believe like, gosh, it's been a long time, maybe like 4 years ago. She was here in California. I think she found me on Instagram or YouTube. I'm not sure how she found me. And she actually reached out to me and I met her in person. She showed me the products and everything, and she even tried it out on my hair. And I just like instantly fell in love with it and I bought it the next day. It's amazing. And I really love this so much. And yeah, that's pretty much my tips on how I grew out my hair. And you don't need any like gummies. You know, those gummies, they're not magic. They're not going to make your hair grow out like that. You need to be taking care of your hair like this. There is no magic pill. It just takes a lot of patience and a lot of dedication on your part. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any more questions or anything like that, feel free to leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.